Proceedings and ruling will be supplied to both the applicants. So we mentioned for further directions.
I'm Honorable Babu Owino, MP Embakasi East constituency, and we are here as young members of parliament in solidarity with one of our comrades, Honorable Jagwa, who is a member of parliament Starehe constituency, who is being detained illegally by the policemen. I must admit, and whatever Jagwa said about the Chinese was just a paraphrase of what Mheshimiwa Matiang'i said about the cabinet secretary when he said that the Chinese should be deported. Indeed, we are in full support, and we are going to present this on the floor of the House. The small-scale traders should be given the jobs that belong to them. Kenyans are not doing small-scale trading in China. Here nowadays, Chinese are even speaking in Luo. Some speak in Kalenjin, some speak in Kikuyu. So we don't understand what these people's interests are. Number two, there are no compelling reasons why the Honorable Member Jagwa should be detained for 3 working days, including the 2 weekends. Those are 5 days. There are no any other compelling reason. If this case has no witnesses, where are these policemen going to get their witnesses from within those 3 days? There's nobody who's recorded a statement. And number 3, we all know that the DCI are doing a very shoddy job, and shame on them. They need to come out clearly, and before they arrest any other person, they must have known that they have enough facts, they have enough evidence. You cannot arrest somebody and then do investigation later to come ask for time. You must arrest somebody after knowing that you have enough evidence and give the reason why you are arresting that person. The Constitution is clear that human rights must always be protected. Jagwa's rights are now being infringed, and as members of parliament, we will not allow this. This idea of us being arrested like chicken, we will never allow, and we are going to retaliate on such matters. If they want to do anything, let them do it. This nation is our nation, and everybody deserves to have a right to be treated rightfully. This is yesterday, and the day before yesterday, Jagwa was detained. Today, we are being told that Jagwa must come back on Wednesday. All these days, what is the difference that shall be made? How can Jagwa interfere with witnesses who are not there? Witnesses who are the policemen. Between Honorable Jagwa and the policeman, who is more armed than the other? It is the policeman. Therefore, DCI, you are a disappointment. You are a disappointment to the human race. Please, you must do your work, and this idea of arresting any other person with the intention of just asking for days so that you harm the person's dignity, you harm the person's body, because the moment you are in the police cells, there's nothing you can clearly do. You cannot think beyond the 4 corners of that room. You are not taking shower. So generally there's psychological torture, and there's also physical torture, and I would like to condemn it with the strongest terms possible. May I take the opportunity to welcome Honorable Nixon Korir.
The court has made a decision to detain Jagwa for 3 more working days. It will not change the matter that there is a big problem in this country, and whatever Jagwa said is actually the truth, that there is a big problem of foreigners who are here illegally, and the CS Matiang'i had indicated before, and he said that we are going to detain foreigners. Jagwa just reiterated that. But the decision to detain Jagwa for more extra days is just part of the larger scheme that we had witnessed before by the DCI to intimidate and harass members of parliament and members of this republic who are perceived to be taking some certain decision, which is okay. But what we are saying is that the DCI, whatever decisions and the judgment that has been ruled today, cannot change the matter that the government of Kenya must work and protect the small traders in this country. The truth of the matter is we have certain individuals and nationalities who have come to this country illegally, and they are taking the jobs that Kenyans should do. We have manufacturers. We have manufacturers from China who have come and become retailers in this country. We voted for this government, and we expect this government to protect the interests of the Kenyan, not to participate in gimmicks that want to impress international communities or our neighbors. The truth of the matter is that the other day, Tanzania banned chickens that were belonging to Kenyan traders. They sold our cattle for 500 shillings. What did the government do? What we are saying, as a representative of the people, we will not be intimidated. We will stand firm. Jaguar is here. We will be coming here to see Jaguar on Wednesday next week. Eventually, Jaguar will be released. And the truth of the matter is that Kenyan traders are suffering. The CS, Munya, who is supposed to be the one in charge of the docket of trade, instead of working for the Kenyans, is going to some basement in some hotels doing some monkey business. What we are saying that this country needs to be serious, and the president needs to be serious also. We elected the president so that he can work for the Kenyans. And what we are witnessing right now is that his CSs and the executive has failed this country, and we will stand as parliament and we will defend the people. We are people's representative representing Kenyans. We don't represent Tanzanians or Ugandans or Chinese. We are here working for Kenyans, and we will stand firm. They can jail us, they can shoot us, they can kill us, but we will stand firm and we will stand with Kenyans.
Thank you. Mimi mwenyewe nimekuja hapa kwa niaba ya watu ambao wanafanya kazi katika maeneo ambayo Jaguar anaongoza, haswa hawa vijana wadogo. Watu wengi wametoka katika kaunti ya Murang'a, wale ambao ni hawkers, wale ambao ni small traders, wako Nyamakima, wako Gikomba. Na hawa vijana walitoka kwetu Murang'a wakakuja hapa Nairobi, kwani kule kwetu mashamba yameweza kuisha. Kule kwetu ukulima wa kahawa uliweza kuanguka, wakaweza kuja hapa Nairobi kujitafutia rasilimali. Lakini sisi ambao tuko hapa katika Nairobi, watu wa Murang'a, ambao ni wafanyi biashara wadogo wadogo, hatusemi ya kwamba ati hatutaki wale ambao wametoka nje, lakini tunataka kitu inaitwa fair competition. Huwezi kwa mfano uwe umekuja hii nchi yetu, katika visa yako umeandikiwa kazi yako ni kufanya manufacturing, lakini unaingia katika kazi ya kuwa mchuuzi. Hiyo unaenda kinyume na sheria ambayo tuko nayo katika Kenya. Si haki mbunge ambaye ni kijana mdogo ambaye anatetea wanyonge anashikwa, anawekwa ndani. Wale ambao wanaenda kinyume cha sheria wanaachiliwa. Basi mimi kama wakili nimekuja leo, nimeingia katika hii kesi kumtetea kijana Jaguar, na niseme ya kwamba hatutagojea hadi next week Wednesday. No, today we are coming back at about 2 p.m. We are going to make an application under a certificate of urgency. Yes, we are coming back. We are going to make an application before the High Court to seek an order to vacate the findings of the lower court. It is very unfair for Jaguar to spend another day inside the cell. It is very unfair. The reason that has been given by the judge is not a good reason, because the magistrate has said she has decided to detain Jaguar because he is a person who is influential. Does that mean every time you have a member of parliament or any other influential person being arraigned before a magistrate court, that is going to infer that person to always be not ever to get a bond? Does it mean because you're a member of parliament you are guilty? Hiyo mimi naona si haki. Ambao sisi ambao tuko katika hii kazi, yule ambaye anatetea mnyonge, wale ambao wanaiba mabilioni wanapewa bond, si ndio? Wale ambao wanaiba mabilioni. Lakini niulize swali, Jaguar ameiba chochote? Jaguar ameiba chochote? Jaguar wakati alikuwa anaongea mambo yake peke yake ama anaongea wananchi? Anaongea mambo ambayo yanahusu mwananchi wa hapa Starehe. Wale ambao sisi ambao tumetoka Murang'a tulikuja huku kuhaso, si ndio? Basi ni kwangu mimi naona ni kwamba ni unfair, na tunasema ya kwamba saa 8 tutarudi hapa kumtetea kijana Jaguar awachiliwe, na iwe ni kwamba si fair kumweka hadi Wednesday whereas hakuna kitu chochote amefanya.
Na ile tunaweza sema kulingana na hiyo uamuzi jaji amepeana, we are not with it, and kama ni kushika Jaguar tayari ashakuwa ndani kwa siku 2. Kama ni maneno ya witness interference with the witness, I'm very sure ile clip Jaguar aliongea iko na kila mtu anaiona, na iko kwa kila mtu, kwa hivyo watu wanaiona. So maneno ya kuinterfere na witness hiyo hatuelewi ni nini. Na niseme this is a trial, not against people, not against Jaguar, but the people of this republic, because if you know all people wenye wanafanya biashara huku Kenya wote wanaumia na wanaumizwa na hawa wa China na hawa watu wenye wanatoka nchi zingine wakikuja kufanya biashara hapa, kuhakikisha mwananchi na sana sana Mkenya hana haki ya kufanya biashara. Na wacha niwaambie, kuna bill yenye nareta na tayari tunaianza. Capping ya mtu kukuja kufanya biashara Kenya kitambo imekuwa 20 million. Sasa hii kuna bill yenye natengeneza nimeiweka kama 50 million ndio mtu aweze kufungua biashara ama kuoperate biashara hapa Kenya. For example, kuna hizi pia matinga zenye zilikuja na wa China kufanya kazi hapa kwa kazi ya kujenga barabara. Waliziingiza duty free. After kumaliza kutengeneza hizi barabara, hizo matinga wameenda wamefungua yard Mombasa Road, wanakodisha, wanacompete na wale wafanyabiashara pia wenye wamenunua na wamelipa duty. Na we must say hii serikali kuna wenye wamelalia masikio na kuna wenye hawafanyi kazi yao. And what we are saying as parliament, we must ensure that law is followed to the letter. Asanteni sana.
Upande wetu wa Nyamakema, wachuuzi wadogo, upande wa Kamukuji, biashara imeharibika kabisa. Leo hii ukitembea huko, zamani ilikuwa vibrant sana. Siku hizi hata watoto vijana wa mkokoteni hawana la kubeba. Vijana wa troli hawana la kubeba sababu biashara imezorota. Ombi langu mimi ni mambo ya DCI, mambo ya DPP kuleta Jaguar mambo ya kotini. Hii mambo kama ambavyo wakili amesema watakuja hapa 2 o'clock kufanya application ndio Jaguar achiliwe. Sisi tumesimama imara na mheshimiwa wetu Jaguar. Asante sana.